As the new iOS 15 release comes with 100 plus new features, more and more users update their iPhones to the latest version. However, when the updating is finished, an unexpected update Apple ID settings notification appears on their iPhone settings. It is such an annoying issue that we cannot remove it easily. If you are now troubled by this issue, this page is where you can find the best solutions to fix it without losing any personal content. Why does update Apple ID settings stuck on my iPhone? Before knowing the detailed ways to fix this issue, it is necessary to find out the cause of the problem. Usually, this notification will appear after you update your iPhone to the latest iOS version, or you change your iPhone passcode. When this notification appears on your iPhone, you should enter your iCloud passcode again. If you enter the passcode and update it again yet this notification still exists, read it on to get the best solution. Method 1. Sign into and sign out your Apple ID. If this inexplicable notification appears on your iPhone that you want to remove, you can try to sign into and sign out your Apple ID first. A re-login can be a reliable solution to update Apple ID settings not working. If you are going to use this method, please make sure that you know all the details about your Apple ID, and your device has connected to the internet. Here is how to sign into and sign out your Apple ID. Open Settings on your iPhone, and then hit on your Apple account. Scroll down to the bottom and tap on Sign Out. Once you are signed out your Apple ID, sign into it again. Method 2. Fix update Apple ID settings stuck using TunesKit iOS System Recovery. For iOS repairing, I think TunesKit iOS System Recovery can outrank other fixing tools. It is a dedicated iOS fixing tool that can fix 200 plus iOS issues like screen not working, iPhone red screen, iTunes stuck on waiting for iPhone, etc., without any data loss. In addition, TunesKit iOS System Recovery has a user-friendly interface that can fix your iPhone within several steps. Step 1. Connect your iPhone to a computer. The first thing is connecting your iPhone to a computer. Step 2. Select a mode to fix. Step 3. Download firmware package. Confirm the given information is corresponded to your iPhone model and click the download button to download it. Step 4. Fix update Apple ID settings stuck on iPhone. Then, TunesKit iOS System Recovery will start to fix update Apple ID settings stuck on your iPhone as soon as the downloading is finished. Method 3. Update your Apple ID on all your iOS device. If this update Apple ID settings notification is still on your iPhone, you can update and re-enter your Apple ID on all your iOS devices. If you have other iPhone and iPad devices, you can go into Settings and hit on your Apple account, then re-enter all your Apple ID details. If you are using a Mac, you can go into Settings, and find iCloud to re-enter all your Apple ID details. Method 4. Update your iOS to the latest version. If you are now using an outdated iOS version, you can try to update your iOS to the latest version to fix this issue. Update Apple ID settings stuck on your iPhone can be due to iOS bugs in recent builds. Method 5. Reboot your iPhone. Restarting your iPhone is a simple and quick way to fix update Apple ID settings stuck on your iPhone.